So today I wanted to talk to everyone about time to the half hour. So 1/2 an hour is 30 minutes, and sometimes that's called half past. So for example, you may have heard it is 1:30, 2:30, and that means it has been 30 minutes past that hour. So here we have our big clock. We know that when the minute hand is on the 12, it is, for example, right now it is 4 o'clock. This is equal to 0 minutes. And we also know that there are 60 minutes in a clock. So when we talk about the half hour, we need to think about half of 60, and 30 is half of 60. So if we consider this the top of the clock, we need to go halfway around the clock for half an hour, which is exactly 30 minutes. When we are going around the clock, we can see that there are these little numbers around the clock, and these are not on your typical analog clock. These are just here for you to remember and to remind you that each one of these small little lines are they're about 1 minute, and 1 minute is each and every single little line, and there are 5 minutes in each of the red numbers. So in an analog clock, you will see these red numbers, and if you skip count by 5s, you will be able to quickly know what time the minute hand is on. So if we go around, if we count by 5s, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, which is why there's a 60 here, but we never say it's 260. We might say it's 230, 240, but if it's 260, that means it just became 3 o'clock and we start back at 0. So for today's work, all of your minute hands will be on the 6 because we are talking about time at the half hour. So it will be half past, right now it is 6:30. Now, even though we can see that the 7 is right next to it, it's right in the middle, we do not say that it is 7:30 yet, because if you think of the name half past, it has not yet passed the 7, it passed the 6. So if we keep going another hour, now it is 7:30. And the reason it's half past is because it's been 30 minutes, and for it to be fully past 7, so all the way to 8, we need another half of the clock. So for it to be 7 o'clock, we are there. That's 7 o'clock, and if we want it to be 7:30, we go halfway, and then if we're trying to get to 8 o'clock, we need another half an hour. So half an hour is another 30 minutes, and that's half the clock.